Today we check materials which are relevant and available on various execute MM60 and will then run 8842. Okay, we have this plant, this material, Control Y, Control C. I will try the front end activities for various options that we have. Okay. Materials management, purchasing, service entry sheet, info record source list, quota arrangement. Let's first do this. I guess we have a vendor. Maintain material 8842 header. Okay, minimum quantity split. Okay, now quantity split is basically that when you order, it will be split in 300 just to save on your logistics or maybe on your overheads and courier charges. So 300 is the most optimum that you want. Valid from 810, 1810 to. Okay, okay. So we can actually split it, and we can split it date-wise also. For example, for special days like Easter or Christmas or Eid, the freight charges can go up. So for that, you can introduce splits. Okay. Header. Save. Okay. Source list, maintain, enter. The source is basically that you assign a vendor. There can be multiple vendors for the same material. Okay. There can be different vendors as well for the same material, and you can give a date. For example, in fruit market, there is a season for fruits. Okay, for a given season, you can give the dates of validity. And if you have a vendor who says that they have quicker source at a better rate, you can basically calculate those days and dates for that vendor, and ordering unit can be pieces or kgs or whatever, and you can actually have an agreement, quota arrangement, and you can actually make a source agreement which can be used in the purchase order. Fixed supply source, that this vendor will be the fixed person to supply this. You're ordering in from that vendor, or this vendor can be blocked as well, and whether this can be automatically redirected from MRP, which means that whenever MRP, what is MRP? MRP is material requirements planning, that will be run. So it will redirect and create a PR for this vendor. And if it is fixed vendor, we create a purchase requisition PO for this vendor. Automatically, the system will do that. Okay. And it will run the PR. Okay. List display by material. Execute. Okay, we have the list over here for different dates. Okay, and we can maintain different dates for different vendors based on the benefits they offer. Okay, info record, create vendor 39010. Purchase of 8842. Enter. Already exists. 122 is the info record. So we can do 122, enter. So we have here Tricolor Supplies is the vendor. Info record is already made. Now, what is info record? Basically, you actually maintain some conditions that you will send a reminder for supplies, for requesting supplies in first 3 days. If it is not honored, then 5 days, then 10 days. The material number will be provided by the vendor and you will mention it over here. Okay. Then sort number, whatever. Material group, if you have any, you'll maintain it over here. Okay. I mean, this is basically the pro forma that you will need. Okay. And that pro forma is that In ordering unit is pieces, for example, or packets, like cartons. So in one carton, there will be 300 meters or units, whatever. Okay. So available from to regular supplier, prior supplier, you can actually maintain these data in your fields. Standard quantity is 300. If it is unlimited, like beverages or liquids or chemicals, you can. Acknowledgement is required or not. Tolerance under delivery and over delivery is this much percentage. Shelf life, if it is expirable. Shipping instruction, how it should be shipped, like CIF, FOB. I mean, there are different slabs, right? And of course, you also give pricing, net price, effective price, of course, with tax, without tax, you can actually give over here. Now, these are shipping terms. Now, what are the info location? Shipping location can be different. A different port of the same city and a different shipping point or a distribution point. This can be given over here. Okay. Conditions, validity. Okay. You can also add a new validity period as well. Okay, text. For example, text you have to write like fragile or info record note, purchase order text. You can actually give it over here. Okay. Info record source listing quote arrangement done. Okay. We already have a vendor. We already made this RFQ. First comes RFQ request and then quotation. Okay. Create quotation deadline 0-10-10-2024. RFQ we don't have any. Double A no. Okay, purchasing group. We don't have a purchasing group. Purchasing group 01. So it can be different division, yeah. Okay, double A photo not found. So we'll use the default. Okay. Storage location. Double A photo. Item category. Standard third party service standard. Okay. Delivery date, if it is certain, then you can give it over here. Tracking number, if it is provided by your vendor, you can add it there. Header details. Okay. Validity start, you can give the end and start. Warranty, if there is, of course, you can give that to. Terms of delivery and payment target value in conversion. These are shipping terms. Okay. Reference data. Who is a salesperson? Telephone number, reference, our reference, their reference. You can give over here. Supplier address. You can give. Okay. 39010. Title company. Tricolor. You can give the names. Tricolor double A42. Double A42. Tricolor. Okay. Search terms, because this is your vendor, so that's why you're giving your own plant name, company code name over here, so you can easily search it. Okay. And street address of the vendor, PO box, anything that you think is important. Okay. Save. Address incomplete, AE. where it is coming from. Save. No items. Partner function is not allowed here. Edit. Okay, item. Okay, material 300. Adhesive tapes. RFQ quantity 300. Ordering unit pieces. Delivery date category, what that will be. Day format, time format, week format, month format. We keep it day format. So delivery date that we want it on 08/10/2024. Material group, we don't need that. Okay. And date should not be determined. Let's say each. Later than deadline for submission of bids. Okay. We'll do it 15/10/2024. Save. Yes. So this will be used for quotations. It will generate a number and we'll use that number. We know the material, we know the vendor as well. Okay. So RFQ 609 has been made. Okay. And then we'll maintain a quotation. We'll upgrade it from here. This one it has already copied it. Have details. Yeah. Validity start and warranty. Everything is copied from your RFQ. Quotation date. Quotation reference data. You will actually enter this when you receive a quotation from the salesperson. Okay. Then address, everything will be there. Tricolor that you actually maintain. Text. Under text, you want under note. Tricolor. Blue sky. Adhesive. 15 mm. Yeah. By 300 pieces. 300 pieces. Point of disembarkation. Okay. And same goes, same thing. So it is sky blue, adhesive tape, 15 mm and 300 pieces. Same goes here. Yeah. Has been maintained. Quotation has been maintained. Partner messages. So you want output in various formats, which is fax, telex, and of course, you can actually give it from here. Okay, for which partner you can also mention that. So that's how you maintain your quotations, and payment terms are given in this. Honor your supplies. Okay. We'll do the next outline agreement PRPO with FIMM integration as well in the next one. So we are actually going to complete this course very soon.